I want to take just a minute and explain something on the website you'll see called a comprehension check. So for most of the weeks in the class, at the end of the understand section, you'll find something called a comprehension check, and that's basically a quiz. It's an open book quiz. You can take them as many times as you'd like during the week that they're assigned in order to earn as much credit as you can on them. And honestly, they're not that hard. They're usually 5 to 10 questions long. They won't take you, I don't think, very long to do. But they're meant to help you kind of pay attention to what some of the major concepts were in the materials you've read and to get a sense of whether or not you actually understood them. And they really are designed as a learning tool for you. So not always, but often they'll actually give you some feedback based on the choices that you select. So I hope that you will find them helpful. I've had students tell me actually that they really enjoyed them. They found them helpful in terms of kind of reviewing the readings for the week. And also I use them in that way. And again, you can use them for yourself to kind of review the course materials, and they're worth a small percentage of your grade. You can see in the course syllabus what that percentage is. But I also have you do them because that way in our forum posts, for the most part, I don't have to have you writing in a lot of detail so much about the content directly, like just kind of spitting back out the content that you read, as much as in the forum posts I can invite you to do more application. And I think that you'll find by writing about either experiences that you have with the material or ways that you can imagine how the material interacts with life. I think you'll find those much more interesting to be reading in terms of reading your classmates' materials too. So those comprehension checks kind of have that double piece there. They're to help you review the material you've had. They're to prepare you before you do forums so that we know that everybody's kind of at least read those basic materials as you enter into the forum discussions. And for the forum discussions, hopefully will help make those a little bit more interesting to you by being able to really focus on the unique contextual experience that each of you brings to the material that we'll tend to share more in the forum posts. So that's what comprehension checks are. Again, I remind you, they're open book. You can take them multiple times. They're really meant to help you with your learning. So that's what those are.